All right, y'all. Rob Anderson with We Light Stuff Up Training. We're out here today with Tim. He just finished up 2 days of training. Him and his assistant came up here to learn. What'd you think, Tim?
It was good. I mean, just all around great. I came up here a couple years ago to do some training for power washing, and we're looking at adding Christmas light installation, so I wanted to come again and learn. And we learned a lot about what to do, and equally or more important probably is what not to do.
Yes.
There's a lot of room for error, a lot of room for mistakes. So spending the time, spending the resources and the travel to come up here and train with these guys for a couple of days has just been invaluable.
Awesome. And so, folks, for anybody watching right now, it's January. It does not need to be Christmas light season. You can come up whether it's March or July or August. We've had people come in November. It's going to be a very different experience in November versus January. But by all means, reach out to us. We'd love to get you hooked up with some training, learn more. If you got questions or whatever, just reach out to us. Shoot an email to welightstuffup@gmail.com. And have a great day.